excellence that needs no words, for it comes from the heart and hands. Hands that express care, perfection, and precision, from the choice of leather to the cutting and the stitching of the leather, and to that of the sole. Our excellence starts here, from the initial measurements, which are as important as they are delicate. Have the rider sit down, wearing socks and breeches. Go down the leg from behind the knees to the ground, without pulling the tape measure either too much or too little. Add 2 centimeters to the measurement to ensure that the boot is not too low when used. Just to be sure, have the rider stand up with the leg slightly tilted forward and repeat the measurement. Alternatively, trace a line on the outside starting from just below the kneecap and go down to the ground, again following the natural curve of the leg. The height should be 2 centimeters longer than the measurement taken when sitting. Write down all the data in order on the chart. Continue by measuring the circumference of the leg at the top of the calf, just below the kneecap. Then measure the calf at the widest point. When you have found the widest point, measure vertically to the ground. Like this, you will have the height of the calf. Now go 20 centimeters down the calf to the ground. Measure the circumference at exactly this point. Repeat the same operation, but at 15 centimeters down the calf to the ground. Measure the circumference at exactly this point. Now measure the circumference just below the ankle. Measure the circumference at the heel, over the ankle. Continue along the foot, measuring the circumference at the instep, passing the tape measure under the foot. Go down towards the end. Now measure the circumference of the ball of the foot where the toes start. Lastly, trace the outline of the foot, keeping the pencil absolutely vertical, making sure you have a single line. Ask the normal shoe size worn, or to be absolutely sure, have the rider put on a Sergio Grasso half boot from the classic Pro Comf Technology collection. Now you can ask the rider to choose the model of the boot they wish to have. Also remember to consider some important aspects. The 2 legs are not always identical, so measure them both. Bear in mind that legs and feet are more relaxed in the morning than in the evening. It is important to know if the rider wears arch supports, has water retention, protruding bones, or other particular features. The difference between quality and excellence is in the details at every stage. This is how our excellence takes shape every day, because there is also your hand in our signature.